Merhaba hocam. I'm Alkubati. I'm gonna explain my project, which is about chatbot. Chatbot is an artificial intelligence program that can simulate a conversation or chat with a user in natural language through a messaging application. In this project, I built a chatbot using a deep learning techniques. The chatbot is turned on the data set which contain intents, pattern, and response. Then I used a recurrent neural network (LSTM) to classify which category the user message belongs to. Then we give the response. At the first, I will explain our packages that are used in this project. Uh, we have this JSON package which is used to load the data from JSON files. As we said, we saved our data set here. Uh, Also, we have a class package which we'll use to build our model, deep neural network, which has 3 layers. Here we do initializing for our variables. Then we get our intent. After that, we do limization, and in limization, the word and remove the duplicated word. In limization process, the word is converted into lemma format, and then a backup word is created and stored. The object which is stored, the object which will use in the predicting. Then we create our training data, which will provide the input and the output. The input will be the pattern, and the output will be the classes which is input belong to. After that, we create our model. Our model is a sequential which has 3 layers. These 3 layers uh, used a cross sequential API, and then we do 200 training time. We get 100 accuracy, and finally we saved our model. In this is what will be the output for this project, for this file. Here we get all documents, and we have all classes that we have in JSON file, and also the data training data is created here, and this is our running for our model. Then we have a GUI file, Python GUI file. At the first, we load all the files that are necessary in this step. We get intents from intents JSON, as we said in this file. Then we loaded all the words that we saved from limitization process from the words.pkl files, and also we have a classes also that we saved. We have this method to predict a class that we get the message from the user, then we predict its class. After that, we get the responding by when we get the class, then we will find its response to send it to the user. A chat response, this is a method that we get to send the response to a user. We import all scanner for creating GUI. Then we run this project. As I said in proposal paper, I do this project for students who want to study in Turkey. and I collect that info. I wrote this information. For example, the student need to know which religion is in Turkey. Ask this question, or what is the necessary paper for this. What's the necessary paper for the university? As we see, it's run here. For example, I said hi. Thanks for asking. Then I ask them, for example, how many cities in Turkey? There are 81 cities in Turkey. For example, I ask them, what's the necessary paper for registration? He said you need the passport, diploma, and transcript. Also, if I ask them uh, how many years so it take 4 years for 4 years for baccalaureate. He gives the answer for us. Finally, then we try to goodbye. Have a nice day, he said. That's all for my project.